In our previous video, we have learnt about the three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. These three tenses are further categorized into four forms. Present tense is categorized into simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Now, past tense is categorized into simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Future tense is further categorized into simple future, future continuous and future perfect and future perfect continuous. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Depending on the person, the simple present tense is formed by using the root form of the verb or by adding s or es to the end. So now children, we have already learnt about the first person, second person and third person in our previous videos. So let me just brief you once more that we all know that first person is I and we, second person is you and third person is he, she, it and they. So here let us see this table here. I like. So here this is a first person singular, plural is we like, second person you like and again plural is you like. Third person is he, she, it likes and plural is they likes. Now you must have noticed one difference in the verb. What is the verb in this sentence? Like is the verb. So you can see that in all the persons singular and plural we have verb as like. But there is one change. You must have noticed that in the third person singular, we add s to the verb like. Now let us see the table to learn about the simple present tense. Now let us see the table to understand more about simple present tense. In first person singular, we write the sentence as I play tennis. In this, we have used the first form of verb play. And see the sentence in plural form. We have a sentence as we play tennis. So again you can notice that the verb is in the same form. Now in the second person singular, you play tennis. You play tennis. So here also we have used the same verb as we have used in the first person. We notice only one change, that is in the third person singular, we added s to the verb play. So children, the rule to change any sentence into simple present tense, we use the first form of verb or the base verb. But the only change which we notice is in the third person singular, we have to add s or es to the base form of verb, that is the first form of verb. Now let's take some examples to understand more about simple present tense. I live in Delhi. So here the verb is live, which is in the first form. You live in Delhi. So again we have used the first form of verb, you live in Delhi. In the third sentence, she lives in Delhi. So children, you must have noticed that I is the first person singular, you is the second person singular and here she is the third person singular. So according to the rule, when a sentence is in the third person singular, then we have to add s to the verb. So here we have added s to the verb live. So it becomes she lives in Delhi. Now, I go for a walk every day. So here again we have a first person singular here. So the sentence is I go for a walk every day. So here the verb go is in the first form of verb. He goes for a walk every day. Now children, you know that he, she and it is the third person singular. So here, according to the rule, the third person singular will have s or es added to the verb. So here we get the sentence as he goes for a walk every day. So go becomes goes in the third person singular. Again, this is the third person singular. So we use the verb goes for a walk every day. So Abhay goes for a walk every day. Now, again I will repeat the rule for simple present tense. We use the first form of verb or the base form of verb, and the only change which we notice is in the third person singular. We use s or es to the verb in the first form. Now, the next type of tense is the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense, verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and may continue into the future. I am playing tennis. So here you see that we have used am. So am is a helping verb which is always used with I in the present continuous tense. So when we have to change any sentence to present continuous tense and we have a first person I there, we use helping verb am plus we have to use ing form of verb. That is, we have to add ing to the word play to change it to present continuous tense. If the person is plural, then we have to use are as a helping verb and ing form of verb. So we get a sentence like we are playing tennis. Now second person singular, you. So this is you. So with second person singular you, we have to use are as a helping verb and ing form of verb, that is play becomes playing in the present continuous tense. So again this is a plural, so we have to use are here and ing form of verb, that is play becomes playing again in the present continuous tense. So we get a sentence as you are playing tennis. Now with the third person singular is used as a helping verb. So we get a sentence as he is playing tennis or she is playing tennis. Now again with the plural we use they are playing tennis. So we have to use helping verbs in present continuous tense. So with I we always use am, with the plurals we use are, and with the third person singular he, she, it, we have to use is as a helping verb. So the rule for the present continuous tense says that we use helping verb is, am, are plus ing form of verb. I am sitting on a bench. So I is the first person singular. We use helping verb am with I. So the sentence is I am sitting on the bench, and we have used ing form of verb to change the sentence to present continuous tense. We are sitting on a bench. So are is used with the plural form. So we get a sentence as we are sitting on a bench. So we have added ing to the verb, and before the verb we have added are. Now they are sitting on a bench. Again they is the plural form, so we have used are here plus ing form of verb. So the sentence we get is they are sitting on a bench. She is sitting on a bench. Now she is the third person singular. So according to the rule, is this added before the verb to change the sentence to present continuous tense. So the sentence which we get is she is sitting on a bench. Now the old man is walking. So the third person singular we add is and ing form of verb. The children are playing in the park. So children is the plural form. So we have used are as an helping verb plus ing form of verb, playing in the park. I is the first person singular. I am reading a book. So am plus reading, ing form of the verb, and we get a present continuous tense here. You are going for a movie.